I just got up from a nice Friday afternoon nap and decided to stumble out to the workshop to play with the dowel maker a little bit more. And these are the two that I made yesterday out of 3/8" ash, and today I moved on to some 1/2" stock, and I got the figured maple, ash, purple heart, cherry, beech, and son of a beech. Just so you know, you're never too smart to make really stupid mistakes in the workshop, especially after a nap. Here's what I did. I finished pushing the dowel through, I turned off the saw, the dust collection was still running, and I reached behind the saw to give the dowel a little bit of assist back through to the other side. I didn't hear that the blade was still spinning, and I didn't bother to visually check to see that the blade had completely stopped. So let's give a quick shout out to Forrest for making a really nice sharp blade. I love this thing. On the bright side, it wasn't my driving finger. I only use this one for drinking tea. But if you're going to make this jig, I would recommend that you put something in the front to block the blade, just as I did, and also probably put something in the back. So like I said, I'm going to be working on a version 2 of this, and I'll add a few more safety features so that this doesn't happen again. Have fun and play safe.